Hello boys, hello everyone. What can I say? Today I'm back. I'm recording on video. Unfortunately, it's from a Mac. My hair is not done as well, so do not look at it, please. But yeah, basically I want to talk to you boys about today. I'm gonna recap today, as you can see. While eating, of course, I'm not gonna stop myself from eating lunch, but yeah, okay. Anyways, I quickly wanna mention that I do not recommend anyone trading on days when Powell is testifying, because that's when I lost the majority of my capital, and I did regret that because now I have to make it back. And today simply confirmed that when price action is good, when there's no high impact news that can affect the price action in the long term, and do not add volatility but instead make it choppy, I can trade and I can make money. So let's go into the charts. I'm passing two accounts right now, so I'm on 51k. As you can see, I was on 51.5 on here, and I was on like 52.3 on here. But yeah, anyways, I'm down now because of Powell. I basically fucking gambled all the way through for no fucking reason, right? Anyways, let's go into today. Today was a beautiful day, boys, for trading. Let me just show the market, right? So, going to the market open, we were like, after news, we had news at 2:30. Let me just turn on my drawings, right? Yeah. So let me just drink water as well. So what happened is, we took out London lows with the news coming out. So we took them out pre-market, and that was kind of something that made me hesitant about trading today, especially that I was down to like $350 on my combines. So I was very hesitant. I was waiting for the setup, right? So also something I've been using for the past few days. I mean, for the past weeks actually, because last week, boys, I had 5 wins, no losses, basically just winning days, which was amazing, right? But yeah, anyways, like when the market opened, what I've been thinking, because we opened up here. So my thoughts going to the market were, okay, so retail traders, they place their orders that if you break through this high, they're gonna be buying, right? So obviously we had to go down to sweep them, basically to stop them up, and that's what we did. We went down before we moved higher. So beautiful price action. We tapped into this 4-hourly fair value gap, midnight open, and 50% of the move up. 50% range is right here, basically perfect. And from there I was ready to take a trade on ES. At this time we were consolidating, so we were in this range. So that was the only thing that was making me quite hesitant as well, because on ES we already took out the jaws on liquidity that I was expecting to get on Nasdaq, the bullish jaws on liquidity, of course. So I was expecting to get an entry like from these two rally gaps somewhere here, right? Ideally from this one, because that was aligned with the breaker block as well. But we never actually went down to it. Neither we did on ES, because as you can see, at this time on ES we did not even have the microstructure shift. So I was like, okay. At this point, let me just try to turn on the executions. Nah, okay, fuck that shit, because I would have to like exit the full screen. So I waited, right? We swept this. We swept the New York market open, and that was something that made me hesitant about taking this trade again, because that took one of my draws on liquidity. So yeah, and also we created this 5 minute Ferrari gap, and that was basically my entry, right? So I entered off the Ferrari gap. Here stops were at 30 handles, so stops were like somewhere here, and then my final TP was all the way up there. However, I did pyramiding, so I was entering as the price was moving higher. So I think my last entry was here, and this time my stops were moved below this low swing low, right? So was this a nice setup? Absolutely not. Was this a good setup? Yeah, it was. However, it was not following the unicorn model. Neither it didn't follow the ICT silver bullet. What it did is it simply followed the continuation model that I've been using. It's not an A+ model, but it's a model that sometimes works, right? And today it worked perfectly. Made about 1% on this trade. Was gonna make 750 if I held all the way to here my full contract position, but as I seen price getting choppy here, and at this time we were on Nasdaq already shipping this high on the ES, sorry. So I was like, okay, do you know what? I'm gonna close 5 contracts out, right? So I closed 5 contracts. Then my next 4 contracts were here, and my last 2 contracts were below this Ferrari gap. So that was my trade. Pretty good. 32 handles secured. I made good profit though, so I'm pretty happy with it. What we have right now is what you can call ICT silver bullet model coming out. I don't know if it's gonna work out, but like I'm just saying that ICT silver bullet is happening right now because we swapped the previous hour high, we swapped these highs as well, and we might go for this low before the PM session, right? But pretty nice session today. It's a shame that we get an entry so high in the premium, but it's what it is. It is what it is, boys. I'm not complaining. I made money, so I don't know if this is gonna get uploaded still, but if it is, then peace out to you all. I'm probably gonna upload a video tomorrow as well. If I get a nice ICT unicorn model, I'm just gonna full port the past the accounts, boys, and that's it. See you.